Hello class. This will be an example of how to graph an ellipse. We are going to consider the ellipse x squared over 9 plus y squared over 16 is equal to 1. The key to graphing an ellipse that has a center at the origin will be to find the intercepts. To find the x-intercepts, we will substitute y equals 0 into the original equation, giving x squared over 9 plus 0 is 1. When we solve that equation, we end up with x equals plus or minus 3, which I've graphed in the coordinate plane. The next step is to find the y-intercepts. The y-intercepts are found by plugging x equals 0 into the original equation and solving for y. This will give us 0 plus y squared over 16 is equal to 1. Solving that equation gives y equals plus or minus 4, which I've graphed in the coordinate plane. Now we are going to draw the ellipse that contains those 4 points. So that ellipse will look something like that. The final step in graphing the ellipse is to figure out what the foci are. And the foci are found by solving an equation that involves c squared. And for me, the simplest way to remember the equation is that c squared will equal the larger denominator minus the smaller denominator. So this gives us that c squared is equal to 7. So c is the square root of 7. And that allows us to conclude that the foci are at 0 plus root 7 and 0 minus root 7, which I've shown in the coordinate plane with the red dots. We know that the foci are on the vertical axis because the major axis, the longer axis, is vertical in this case.